All right, welcome. This is National Safety Month in June. I'm Steve Scharnhorst. I'm here with Emily Johnson. We're going to talk just a little bit about safety and just remind you that it doesn't matter what we're doing, safety is the most important thing. It's got to be the first thing we think about. We got to think about it each time we're doing our job. And this is just a month to remind you safety is an everyday, every month activity. Right, Emily?
Absolutely. And as we start off with everything, we want to start with our pledge. So I think we're actually going to watch it in one of my favorite formats, which is our video.
I love the video because it has so many of our employees in it. So let's roll the video.
What does it mean to be family? Is it simply those we share a home with? Is it based on where we live or the language that we speak? Or is it the ones who make a promise to take care of one another and look out for each other each and every day? At MacLean Power Systems, we are family. And we believe family goes beyond bloodlines and transcends cultures. We understand that every one of us plays a role in each other's well-being. And it doesn't matter if we are in an office, on the shop floor, or in the field. We are one team, driven by integrity and respect, connecting people for good, and united by a vision of service to our customers and to one another. We believe all incidents are preventable. We believe no job is so important and no task is so urgent that we cannot do our work safely. We believe in protecting ourselves and each other every day. At MacLean Power Systems, safety is a way of life. For us, for family.
You guys heard the pledge in the video, but just as a reminder, we believe every single incident is preventable. We believe that no job is so urgent, no task is so important that we can't do our work safely, and we believe in protecting ourselves and each other every single day. As we think about how that applies in the workplace, we want you to stop and think. Before you do a job, make sure you understand how it's going to be done and what the hazards are so you can protect yourself, and be on the lookout for what your fellow teammates are doing so you can protect them as well. And we talk about no job is so important, no task is so urgent. That means that we don't want you doing anything that is not safe. When we think about this year, incidents are up over last year. With the merger between PGC and MacLean Power, we've got over 400 new team members, and you would think the fact that we're up would be new team members coming into our safety environment. It's not. Most of the incidents that we're seeing are in our legacy MPS factories, and it's just not acceptable. We've got to take our time. Every single incident that we've had this year is preventable. We've had people tripping with no trip hazard. We've had people bending over and hurting themselves. We've had people with improper PPE getting things in their eyes. There's just so many things that are preventable if we take the time and think about safety first.
Absolutely, and we still stand by our EHS policy and really our guiding light, which is our Mission Zero belief, that if we all work together, if we have good systems, good behaviors and culture, we can reach Mission Zero at the end of the day. And we're not seeing that this year, so we need everyone to help step in. We're continuing to improve our systems, our machinery, our controls, but we need everyone's help in continuing to drive that Mission Zero goal down.
Safety is a shared responsibility for us, for family, everyone looking out for each other. And I firmly believe there's only two reasons our team members get hurt. One is that they take a shortcut, right? They're not paying attention. They've done the task so many times that they think they can get by with the shortcut. Eventually those shortcuts catch up with them. That's behavior-based. So we've got to change the behavior, and it's all of our responsibility to change that behavior. The second reason people end up getting hurt is the management team hasn't identified the hazard and done something to reduce the hazard. Neither of those are acceptable. We want everyone going home safe every single day that they come to work. So be on the lookout for hazards. slow down for sure, but most importantly, as the employee doing the job every single day, you've got the stop work authority. You've got the authority to stop the job when you think it's not being done safely or it could be done in a safer fashion. You're not going to get in trouble for this. No one gets fired for stopping the job. You actually have the right and the responsibility to make sure you're doing the job safely. And if that includes stopping the job, that's your responsibility to do that. Mission Zero is critical to what we're doing. It doesn't matter how many parts we make or how many we ship or anything else if people get hurt doing it. So use that stop authority. If the job is not safe, bring it to your supervisor's attention, bring it to your manager's attention, and make sure we're focused on doing things safely.
Absolutely, and that includes stopping the job for someone else. So if you see someone else doing something that's putting them or others at risk, you also have the right to stop the job for them and their safety. We also want people to speak up and say something. Our EHS teams are awesome, our leaders are awesome, but they're just one person. We need everyone looking out for safety and reporting things. For every one serious incident, and we have had several potentially serious or actually serious incidents this year, there are 600 observations out there. So we have everyone looking, we can capture all of those and fix things before they become an incident or before someone gets hurt.
And we've got a lot of great examples of people stopping other folks from doing things unsafe. I remember last year we had a maintenance technician who chose not to lock out the energy side of a machine. One of his fellow maintenance people actually saw that happening and made him stop the job, made him lock it out. That's what we're looking for. Let's protect each other. It's such an important thing that we do every single day, and no one wants to go home hurt.
Absolutely, and we all have a reason why we come to work safe. I don't know if you want to share a little bit of yours, Steve, and why you care about safety.
Well, I've got 4 grandchildren, but none of them are more important than the last 2, which Lottie is turning 4 at the end of May, and Jack was born last July. So I want to make sure I maximize my number of days with them. So by working safely, it means I get to hang around a little bit longer.
That's wonderful, and we all have it. I know for me, my cat and my husband, I don't necessarily tell them I put them in that order, but my cat and my husband, and I have 8 nieces and nephews now, so getting to spend time with them, and whenever I look at them, I think of all our team members and the families they have, the activities they love to do, whether your why is your kids, your grandkids, or it's just enjoying a nice day outside in the fall. Whatever it is, everyone has a reason why they want to go home safely.
Yeah, and for me, I think I don't know if everyone knows this, but the general managers, anytime there is a recordable incident, have to call me personally the day that it happens and give me an update on what happened, why it happened, what we're doing to contain it, and then what we're going to do long-term to fix it. I dread those calls. I hate taking a call knowing that one of our team members got hurt. So that's another reason why I want you guys all working safely, slowing down, stopping the job where necessary, taking the extra time and looking out for each other.
Wonderful. Well, happy National Safety Month to everybody. We're excited to come visit, come celebrate, come talk Mission Zero, and for us, for family, with some of our PGC sites for the first time and our MPS sites as we normally do. So happy National Safety Month.
We'll see you in the plants in June.